So part 2 of the gnarly Holopaw ride with the Pioneer on the 32-inch Aztecs from March 9th, 2024. This is like a lot of the north end stuff, and then that one trail kind of around Junk Tree, and then some night ride stuff. A lot of good mudding, and a lot of cool machines, cool people.
Is it touched again?
So that Pioneer 500 you just saw blew my mind all day on those skinny 29.5 Outlaw ones. That is an excellent tire. I really hope someone starts reproducing the 29.5 and the 31 Outlaw ones. We need them.
What's up? How many times have... Fucker.
He got it! He got it! As usual, my Pioneer went everywhere, never got stuck, and saved everyone. Even without portals, it's extremely potent. It's much more fun to drive out the portals, and honestly, in some holes it does better because it doesn't have that weight making it stick to the bottom. Really good ride, and really like how it performed on the 32-inch Aztecs. Can't wait to put some lower gears in the sub-transmission and run some 35s on this thing. You never done this trail?
No.
Oh, this is a good trail, dude.
I think I've done this trail way back in the day when we had...
Lock the front down! Go forward and lock your diff. How are you stuck?
I'm missing diff lock.
That wheel isn't turning. Yeah, the driver's front wheel isn't turning.
I'm not diff lock. But there's a button somewhere. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Now it's gonna go.
Nope.
Just flip.
Really?
Wait.